%. Weekly test, Monday to Friday, at 100 per month. For more details WhatsApp. +91 89405 69789. English Major Topics 10 marks. PGTRB Psychology Test. In English, 5 marks. PGTRB GK 5 marks. In English, blank. 20 marks. Blank. My first acquaintance with poets, topic-based MCQs. What is the main theme of My First Acquaintance with Poets? A. Friendship. B. Introduction to literature. C. Personal experiences with poets. D. Childhood memories. Answer. C. Personal experiences with poets. Which poet does the author meet in My First Acquaintance with Poets? A. William Wordsworth. B. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. C. Lord Byron. D. Percy Bysshe Shelley. Answer. B. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. How does the author describe his initial meeting with the poet? A. Fearful. B. Excited and impressed. C. Disappointed. D. Indifferent. Answer. B. Excited and impressed. What impact did the poet's works have on the author? A. They encouraged him to become a poet. B. They confused him. C. They inspired a deep love for poetry. D. They had no significant effect. Answer. C. They inspired a deep love for poetry. My First Acquaintance with Poets is mainly a reflection on the author's experience during which period of his life? A. Adulthood. B. Childhood. C. Early youth. D. Later years. Answer. C. Early youth. My First Acquaintance with Poets, author life and work-based MCQs. Who is the author of My First Acquaintance with Poets? A. William Hazlitt. B. Charles Lamb. C. Thomas de Quincey. D. John Keats. Answer. A. William Hazlitt. In which year was My First Acquaintance with Poets published? A. 1807. B. 1823. C. 1821. D. 1815. Answer. C. 1823. Which of the following is a key characteristic of Hazlitt's writing style? A. Romantic idealism. B. Satirical tone. C. Clear, direct prose. D. Complex philosophical ideas. Answer. C. Clear, direct prose. Hazlitt was a key figure in which literary movement? A. Romanticism. B. Neoclassicism. C. Modernism. D. Realism. Answer. A. Romanticism. Which of the following describes Hazlitt's general attitude towards poets and their work? A. Reverential admiration. B. Critical disapproval. C. Indifference. D. Skepticism. Answer. A. Reverential admiration. PGTRB Educational Psychology, Unit 3 based MCQs. According to educational psychology, what is the most effective way to improve long-term memory retention? A. Rote memorization. B. Active engagement and repetition. C. Short-term cramming. D. Passive reading. Answer. B. Active engagement and repetition. Which theory suggests that children learn language primarily through interaction and communication? A. Behaviorism. B. Nativism. C. Social interactionist theory. D. Cognitive theory. Answer. C. Social interactionist theory. In Jean Piaget's theory, which stage is characterized by the ability to think logically about concrete events? A. Sensorimotor stage. B. Preparational stage. C. Concrete operational stage. D. Formal operational stage. Answer. C. Concrete operational stage. Who proposed the concept of zone of proximal development in learning? A. B. F. Skinner. B. Lev Vygotsky. C. Erik Erikson. D. John Dewey. Answer. B. Lev Vygotsky. Which of the following best describes the term scaffolding in education? A. Encouraging independent learning without support. B. Providing structured support and gradually reducing it. C. Testing students constantly. D. A rigid teaching style. Answer. B. Providing structured support and gradually reducing it. PGTRB General Knowledge, Unit 3 based MCQs. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Gobi Desert. B. Sahara Desert. C. Antarctic Desert. D. Arabian Desert. Answer. C. Antarctic Desert. The book, Origin of Species, was written by which scientist? A. Isaac Newton. B. Charles Darwin. C. Albert Einstein. D. Louis Pasteur. Answer. B. Charles Darwin. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. India. B. Japan. C. China. D. South Korea. Answer. B. Japan. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? A. Marie Curie. B. Florence Nightingale. C. Rosalind Franklin. D. Ada Lovelace. Answer. A. Marie Curie. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer. B. Nitrogen. Tamil Takuttit Tervu Veena Vitai. Question 1. Kurukkankal Etanai Vikaipatam. A. Monroe. A. Ninku. I. Aintu. I. Irantu. Answer. A. Ninku. Question 2. Ihkalankia, Uranachai Kokalil Ula Alapetikal. A. Oralapetai, Kalakai Alapetai. A. Inakai Alapetai, Kalakai Alapetai. I. Kalakai Alapetai, Oralapetai. I. Oralapetai, Inakai Alapetai. Answer. A. Oralapetai, Kalakai Alapetai. Question 3. Oralapetai Alapetukum Oralatukalin Enikai Etanai. A. 11. A. 13. I. 15. I. 12. Answer. A. 11. Question 4. Poruttuka. O Otal Ventum 1. Inakai Alapetai. Ketupatuam 2. Sayulakai Alapetai. Uranachai 3. Oralapetai. Ihkalankia 4. Kalakai Alapetai. A. I. 2 E. 1 Ili. 4 IV. 3. A. I. 4 E. 3 Ili. 2 IV. 1. I. 2 E. 3 E. 4 IV. 1. E. 4 E. 1 IV. 2. Answer. A. I. 2 E. 1 E. 4 IV. 3. Question 5. Verupatta Onranate Tervu Seeker. A. Urar. A. Ketupatuam. I. Varanachai. I. Ihkalankia. Answer. I. Ihkalankia. Question 6. Poruttamara Onranate Tervu Seeker. A. Utal. A. Urarku. I. Pataparai. I. Tampi. Answer. I. Tampi. Question 7. Potumalikuria Canronate Tervu Seeker. A. Patti. A. Venkai. I. Kannayan. I. Kannan Vantan. Answer. A. Venkai. Question 8. A2 equals L plus 2 anak perintu taram pole. A. A2. A. Lion. I. Vekinra kai. I. Liatu. Answer. A. Lion. Question 9. Poruttuka. Natittal A. Itirmare Tolir Payar. Kolamai A. Vinyalanayam Payar. Ketu I. Tolir Payar. Vantavar I. Mutanilat Terinta Tolir Payar. A1. A2. A3. I4. I. A1. I2. A3. I4. A. I1. I2. A3. I4. A. I1. I2. A3. A4. I. Answer. A1. I2. A3. I4. A. Question 10. Itirmare Tolir Payar Canronate Tentitupka. A. Kolamai. A. Valkai. I. Natittal. I. Q2. Answer. A. Kolamai. Please to see the downside or scroll down the page. We are providing all major weekly test batch at 100. Join now. And we are providing all kinds of school, project, teaching aids, record, writing work for all degree members. If you need this service, text me. All kinds of government job requirement exam, the question bank at very low cost. We are providing all competitive exam MCQ bank at low cost. If you worried about psychology part marks in all teachers requirement exam means, don't worry. I will give. For PGTRB, UGTRB, CTET, TNTET, KTET all kinds of teachers requirement exam in SK Mangal educational psychology book based only most of the MCQs are coming. So if you need it this book oriented MCQ bank at low cost means call now. If you want to get success in PGTRB English major means test practice is must. So we are giving question bank for all major at Rs. 1000 only. PGTRB all major question bank at low cost Rs. 1000 only. UGTRB all major question bank at low cost Rs. 1000 only. PGTRB Polytechnic all major question bank at low cost Rs. 1000 only. CTET paper 1 and 2 all major question bank at low cost Rs. 1000 only. For all major weekly test PDF will send. This service cost only 100 rupees per month. Call now. If you want model PDF text me or call me I will send. PGTRB daily test batch per month 200 rupees per pay and make it practice every day. Then you will get PGTRB exam in more marks. So utilize this offer. TNPSC all types of examination MCQ online test batch per month 99 rupees per only. Join now. Thank you.